What's up guys, today I'm going to talk about the best Lightroom export settings for Instagram. The entire world is on Instagram and you definitely want to upload the best of best photos on Instagram. So in order to do that, there are a few settings that you need to follow. Let me not waste your time and let's dive into the Lightroom settings. As of this recording, if you go to Instagram help page, you can see the required image resolution as recommended by Instagram. Instagram recommends width to be between 320 and 1080 pixels. If it's within this range, then Instagram will keep the image as is. Any image which is of lower resolution or of higher resolution will be brought down to 1080 pixels. This can bring down the quality of the image. So I highly recommend the image width to be 1080 pixels. Open Lightroom, go to Develop module and select Crop Overlay. Now click on this and select 4:5. Now hit the X key on keyboard. You can now move around the image to select the right portion of the image. Click on Done. Go to File, Export. I will keep the image quality to be somewhere around 80. I don't want to keep it to 100% because the image quality might get reduced once you upload it to Instagram. Click on image sizing and select the short edge and I'll enter it as 1080 pixels. You can leave the resolution as is. I prefer it to be around 300 pixels per inch. It's up to you to add the watermark or not. And click on export.